What if your new Galaxy Buds 4 Pro could actually think and respond smarter, not just follow commands? That's exactly what Gemini brings to your earbuds. So let's get it set up. First, make sure your earbuds are connected to your phone. Then head into Settings and jump into Voice Controls. From there, tap on Set up Google Digital Assistant. You'll see a few prompts pop up. Just follow along and set up your voice by repeating the phrases it gives you. Turn on Hey Google. Once that's done, go back into the same settings and make sure everything is ready to go. Enable Voice Match, and if you want, switch to your preferred language. Also, make sure the option that allows quick access with minimal unlocking is turned on. Now, here's where things get interesting. When you put on your earbuds and say, Hey Google, you're not just giving simple commands anymore, you're talking to Gemini. You can ask something like, Hey Google, give me a unique challenge for today. And you'll get a much smarter, more natural response right in your ears. Want even faster access? Here's a cool trick. Go back to your earbud controls, choose either the left or right bud, and set the pinch and hold action to Digital Assistant. Now, whenever you press and hold your earbud, Gemini instantly wakes up and is ready for anything you ask. At the end of the day, your Buds 4 Pro are just the mic and speaker, but the real brain behind everything is Gemini, running on your phone. And that's it. Now you've got a smarter assistant right in your ears. Hope this helped. Thanks for your time.